What if I told you there's a way you can get all the advanced product features in Productboard for a fraction of the cost by using this Coda template? I'll start by showing you the feedback review. This is one of the advanced features in Productboard, and it's built right into Coda by using this table. I have a list of feedback from my users or customers, and we're going to use a little bit of artificial intelligence. If I go down here and use this form, I want to easily turn off mobile notifications. And AI is going to try to find an existing feature in my product roadmap that is close to what's being requested from my user. You can see it found this feature, disable notifications when a user is active on a desktop app. If it didn't find a feature that it thought it was good, I can always create a brand new feature here. Once we have all the feedback in one place, we can start looking more at the product roadmap and feature prioritization. My why is that feature prioritization view. And you can see here I have things grouped by product area, component, and then the actual features themselves. In Productboard, you can assign a value to how much this will bring value to your users, the effort level associated with that, and this automatically calculates a value effort score. You can also set timeframes for when those features are going to be coming live on the roadmap. You can view things by releases, by status, by high-level status. We also can view our feature roadmap as a timeline here, similar to what you can do in Productboard. The Kanban view, showing you kind of like the cards, and when you tap on one of these cards, you can always see the full data about that specific feature. And you'll also see associated feedback from your users as this subtable within this view. If you ever want to edit the underlying data here in the product area, component, or anything at all about this template, you can easily go to this data page. This is the full list of features, releases, all of these things are customizable and giving you the ultimate flexibility. And this is just the beginning of what you can do in Coda. You can use Coda for write-ups, for meetings, a lot of other use cases beyond just doing a feature roadmap and prioritization.